Welcome back sa ating channel, and in today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung aking eyeliner dahil meron akong hooded eyes. So, if you like this kind of video, please make sure you watch it till the end of this video. Okay, so hindi pa ako nakakapag foundation guys. Naglagay lang ako ng aking eyeliner para hindi naman tayo mukhang pale sa ating videos. And I will just use the powder, pressed powder from EYELINER. Hindi ako maglalagay ng any foundation, so mag-powder lang tayo guys. This is just a quick video para i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa yung aking eyeliner sa hooded eyes. This is just my trick guys ha. I am not professional, disclaimer lang. So, kung ano yung nakasanayan ko, yun yung i-share ko sa inyo. Usually, ito yung ginagawa kong eyeliner every day, almost every day. Okay, so don't mind my eyebrow ha. So, I will be using this Careline graphic ink liner, waterproof. So, ito yung lagi yung ginagamit ko. So, sobrang ganda nito guys. At sobrang black yung ano nito. At napakaliit ng tip. Ayan. So, tamang-tama siya para dito sa ating gilid ng ating eyes. So, what I do ay, ito muna yung inuuna ko. And then, dito sa pinaka-end, so, ganyan muna. So, yan lang yung first steps natin. And then, dito sa kabila, ayan. So, wag nating paabutin hanggang dito sa crease na to. Kasi kapag ka umabot dyan, magkakaroon ng disaster yung mata nyo. At magta-transfer yung ating eyeliner doon sa extra skin na nandito. Ayan. So, wag nating hayaang umabot dyan yung ating eyeliner. Okay. Then, i-wing out natin dito. Mag-start tayo dito guys. Dito sa pinakadulo ng ating mata. Ayan. So, yan yung usual natin. And then, konting pressure lang dito sa pinakadulo. Like so. And then, i-connect natin to. Yan. Diba? Gawin natin dito sa kabila. Pwede nyo dagdagan dito sa gilid guys kung hanggang saan yung iyong hanggang dito sa gilid. So you have your eyeliner done. Ayan. So after that, hindi na yan siya magta-transfer. Para hindi siya mag-transfer guys, and magstay dyan siya sa ating mata, ay lalagyan natin siya ng konting powder. I usually use this powder. Ito. Dahil sobrang black niya. At nilalagay ko siya lang dito sa edges. See the difference? Makintab dito, dito hindi.
Do you wanna know? I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. so much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby,
Yes,
now
I
I
have a
know.
hooded eyes.
Baby, baby, gotta go.
Yan. So, ganyan ko ginagawa yung aking eyeliner. And pwede mo rin siyang gawing smallest. Smallest. Small yung ating wing liner. Diba? So, for now, gagawin nating medyo big yan. Dahil ito yung lagi kong ginagawa kapag ako'y nag-eyeliner.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so right. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
Okay, so there you go. So, that's it for today's video, guys. So, shinare ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako gumagawa ng aking everyday eyeliner. And if you like this video, just like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And see you again, guys, for my next